Hi, this is Eugenio from Genius Coffee and Espresso Equipment. Today we're going to go through the basic installation of a Sanremo espresso machine. Let's start with the tools. We're going to need 2 wrenches for the water line. We're going to go from a North American standard shut off to the machine that has a European standard. So we're going to use our special holes for that. Then you're going to need a screwdriver to tie in this sap strap for your drain hose. On the counter where the machine is going to be installed, we're going to need a 2.5-inch hole that is going to be centered to the machine so that we can run the water line, the power, and the drain. So I connected the water, I plugged in the power, and the drain is in place. Now I'm going to slowly open the water. So once the water is connected, the power is plugged in, and the drain is in place. At this point, we're going to turn the machine onto position 1 for the power. Position 1 is going to allow the machine to fill, and it's going to take about 25 to 35 seconds. Once the machine is finished its cycle of filling, at this point you will need to take some of the air out that could get stuck in the system. To do this, you're going to have to run both groups in the same time by pressing the double shot button. In the beginning, you might have some air coming out and the water is going to look like it's not coming, but after a few seconds you should start seeing the water coming through. Okay, now the machine is hot. You're going to look at the gauge, and the top gauge, which is going to be the gauge for the pressure, should be just above 1 bar. The gauge for the water, when the machine is standing still, on standby, it should be anywhere between 2 and 5 bar. Nowhere above 5 and not below 2. Okay, now that the pressure is up on both of the gauges, all we want to do is check the actual steam if it's coming out. All you need to do is open the steam tap and release some steam for about 10-15 seconds. And this is everything for the basic installation of a Sanremo espresso machine. Please give us a thumbs up on this video. Thank you.